Hey guys, this is Michael Alexander with Coinsider. It's another quick charts presentation. Today is May 28th. It is in the PM in Los Angeles. It's already in the AM the next day in New York, so I put Los Angeles on our chart. And if you're not familiar with our chart, what quick charts is we bring you top analysts all on one page to save you time and research. And hopefully you won't miss that next move in Bitcoin. Also, if you're not familiar with quick charts, we have a demo link in the description. Just please follow that. So we have two parts to this chart. We have just the quick charts, which has three analysts and their predictions. This is just showing the direction of the price. Very simple. And the next chart shows the candle charts, which is the actual analyst charts, which we'll go over in detail. But first, let's just go over the main prices to look for, support resistance areas, and price direction. So each color is an analyst. Here's the analyst initials, and you can match it with below the analyst below. So basically, we're going to have blue going to go down and bounce up. Red, we're going to have to go to 6,900. 6,900 is a key price point. If it breaks below 6,900, we'll see 64.25. If it stays above 6,900, then we can go to the next major resistance, which is 7,800. And then we have green, which is we just going to have a bounce down a little bit. We don't know exactly where, and then we should have a bounce up. Okay, so SP, Stephen Pauline, JD, and then we have Tony Vase. So let's get into the second section, which is the candlestick charts. Let's start with JD Marshall. So here he circled the 7,800, which we need to go over in order to go higher. If we cannot break that 7,800, then looks like we're going to go continue going lower to that 64.25 area. So again, we need to break this, and then the next major resistance is the 9,990, but let's focus on the 7,800 first to see if we can get over that. And then we have Tony Vase, where he sees us going to a 9, a couple more candles down, and then probably we'll have a short-term bounce, 4 daily candles up, but he still has us going long-term into the $4,900 price point area. And then we have Stephen Pauline, where he sees that we're doing a triple bottom, as he drew in this chart, 1, 2, 3, and on a triple bottom we should have an uptrend. He says that we are oversold right now on the daily RSI, which is close to 30. It's rare that we have that 30 on the daily RSI, so he says that we are in a buyer's market. So he's bullish on the current market conditions with his technical analysis. And as the same as this little chart here, he has the 3 little blue arrows showing that we have a bounce here. Then he uses the wick as the bottom, which is the 5,900 area, then a higher low, and then another higher low possibly, which will form the triple bottom to start a bull rally. So that is our 3 analysts today. And this is the quick charts presentation in the beginning, so you just see basic price movement and price action and key areas to look out for. Hope that you enjoyed today's presentation, and again, all of the opinions of the analyst and Coinside are just opinions and are not financial advice. If you're doing your own trading, just please do your own due diligence, as there's always risk of losing money. Thanks again for joining me for another presentation. It's May 28th in the PM in Los Angeles, and we'll see you in the next presentation. Have a great night or morning wherever you live.